Qs continue to move in this Darvis box here. As you can see, there's a little bit of strength. It started off weak this morning, and it kind of grew back into the box here. So that's where we are with the Qs right now and the market in general. I don't see the market doing much. I see it staying in this Darvis box. Not for much longer. I don't think it's going to reach the end of what I projected of the box. With the volume falling off like this, I see something happening around later on this week, Thursday or Friday perhaps. If it continues into this, through this box, I will be surprised. But once this volume here comes back into the market and starts going one way or the other, it's going to have a big move. Still showing weakness here. I took out a couple more puts on Walgreens Boots. If you look at Walgreens Boots, let's put this up against the S&P and see where we're at with it. As you can see, specifically right here at the end, it's really not holding up against the S&P right now. So I've been taking out puts on this for about a couple weeks now. Bought into XLE, the energy sector, here just the other day, and energy is taking off today. It seems to be doing well. The volume's still falling off. Now, the thing about energy is that you really want energy when the economy is growing. Right now, energy is growing because there's a short supply of this. However, if the economy falls off and nothing is being produced, energy might actually start to stagnate and even fall over. So I will have to keep my eye on this energy investment to make sure that I get out before it turns south. With my energy sector investment a couple days ago, I did invest in Laredo Petroleum right here, right above 100 on this morning here. And as you can see, it has returned about a 10% profit already. I'm going to leave it in there. I could have taken a little bit out there and tried to re-engage here, but it's a pretty steep curve right now. I'm going to leave my position in there, and it's a small position to start with. I put a good portion into the energy sector, and I put just a feeler into Laredo Petroleum. Granted, that was a mistake. I should have put more into Laredo Petroleum. You can look at the video from the other day. But I'm waiting for it to go up and then retract a little bit, and then I'll hit it again harder. I'll probably double my position at that point. I was investing in Exxon back here when I invested in Laredo. It hasn't climbed as much. It's not as much as a growth stock as Laredo. However, if you take a look at what the dividend is on a Exxon, we're looking at 3.5% dividend on Exxon. So it is a very defensive play for a confused market. And that would have brought in some money.